Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by downloading Anaconda 3 for your operating system. Choose the 64-bit installer built for Python 3. 10. Allow approximately 3 GB of free disk space for installation. Save the installer to your downloads folder or desktop for easy access. Verify the installer file name and size before running it. Close other applications to speed installation and prevent file conflicts. Proceed by double-clicking the installer to start the guided setup wizard. Run the Anaconda installer and follow the prompts to accept default settings. You can enable advanced options if you understand path changes and registration. After installation, open Anaconda prompt or terminal to configure environments. Create an environment by typing conda create npy310 python equals 3. 10, and then conda activate py310. Install Jupyter by typing conda install Jupyter, or use Anaconda Navigator to start Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda Navigator by clicking Launch under Jupyter Notebook. Alternatively, open Anaconda prompt and run Jupyter Notebook to open localhost 8888 in your default browser. The Notebook interface lists folders and files in your working directory. Click New and choose Python 3 to create a notebook file ending in ipnb. Name and save your notebook frequently to prevent data loss. When finished, shut down running kernels and stop the server using Ctrl-C in the terminal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.